everyone. So today is Tuesday, it's 24th. So this week I planned that I will not vlog, but yesterday I missed you all so much because I was like, I have done everything. Why I feel empty? Something is missing. So I realized that usually I vlog my whole day and that's what is missing. So whenever I do my task, I like to vlog it out because that's how my productivity also increases. Although I have done everything of Mondays which was scheduled, I uploaded the episode 1 and few of the edits were left, so that also I have completed, but then also I was feeling empty, so I decided ki Tuesday se let's start vlogging again. I don't know if this vlog gonna go on my channel or not because there's no specific day where I can put in, but let me see, let me vlog it out. That's how my productivity will increase definitely, so I will do that. So today's agenda is now I will complete the edit of the episode 2. I will download it and upload on the YouTube, and thumbnail I will make evening May, and after doing that I will have to do it as soon as possible. Then I have to film the episode 4 which was left. I had filmed another video but which I don't like, so I will do again. So that's what I will do, and also I have to shoot few of the reels, and because short content is not going, so yeah, that I will do. So let's continue the day, and we already done my breakfast. Now I'm having some fruits and I will be editing now. So all the scripts, that's where I will edit, and yeah, phone पे भी मेरा एक edit चल रहा है, तो that so I'm doing simultaneously this two stuff. So yeah. So here I'm basically editing the main sit down videos, and this is a rough footage that I will be adding as a B-roll. So simultaneously I'm doing both. So that's how I work, and here's my fruits, and yeah, that's pretty much of it. Let's do it.
The next day.
It's 26th of June, a day before my birthday. I received this parcel just now. It's from Sephora. It's basically my birthday gift. Also, I have ordered some products as well, which hasn't come yet, but this one is the first that I got. Let's open it. I really wanted to unbox it in on camera because this is something which I'm buying for the first time. I wanted it for so long, and finally, now that I can afford it, I'm super happy. Also, I'm actually renewing my whole vanity, and there will be affordable stuffs, and also at this time trying out some high-end stuffs as well. So it's one of them. So this is the Rare Beauty, the first Rare Beauty that I got, and eventually in the later vlogs also you will see some amazing products from Rare, and as well as this more as well, I assure you that. But yeah, I'm so happy and excited. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. I will see you guys soon.
12 o'clock midnight.
So I did my birthday bring in by having this beautiful waffles. It's basically a assorted box, and it tastes so good.
Early the next morning.
Started my day with my favorite breakfast ever. So basically it's called the Shada Aloo Tarkari and Luchi. It's my favorite of all time. In lunch I had my favorite fish curry, and there was also biryani, but we could not finish it. And then I cut the cake. My friend has come, so we just enjoyed after so long. I made them, and yeah, it was a pretty good day with my friends and family, and they gifted me this. Evening पे हम लोगों को एक कैफे में जाना था, but it was raining so bad, so we couldn't.
One eternity later.
Hello everyone. Good morning. Actually, it's not good morning, it's good afternoon. Today is 30th of June. It's a Monday. Already मैंने reel का जो भी videos था, I did it. I filmed today 3 reels, and I'm keeping it very light today. As in it's a Monday, I need to do admin works first. Then so I didn't film any sit down video that I will do tomorrow probably. But the thing is that I have an eye infection right here at the corner. If you can see, it's all swelled up. I don't know how the videos has come, but yeah, I had to do anyway, so I have completed that. Now I will sit for editing and complete all the admin works that's left. It's currently 1 PM, so mostly the main things are done, so I'm very happy. And now I'm sipping on this cold coffee. Basically it's a cold coffee, but a black coffee version. So yeah. that is giving me enough kick to hustle. So that's pretty much of it. I will now just, the fan is off, that's why I'm sweating. Also, I'm planning to remove this cupboard right here, and I will make a workspace of mine here, because I need a chair and table properly, because my posture is getting bent, you know, gives me backache. So yeah, I will remove this and set up this area, probably in the next vlog or so, and see how that goes. So come with me along. It's only Monday today. We have a week to hustle now, so let's see how that goes. I have a lot of to-do list planned for the whole week, and let's complete that quickly and tick off one by one. So let's do that.
A few inches later. One eternity later. Much later. Many unbearable hours later.
Finally, after so many gloomy days, I just started filming. So this is I'm doing for the unboxing for Murucha Beauty, and I wanted to try the Lush Ink, their newest launch, and honestly, I was very excited, but the product turned out such a disappointment, and you will be seeing in the short form of video how is that. Although I love it as a lining for my lips, but filling in your lips is such a thrust, and it looks very patchy, and I do not like it at all. It's supposed to be a dupe of the Stila one. I have never used a Stila's that ink marker, but if it's the concept is this, I think I'm never gonna buy or use this kind of marker. But yeah, I do not like, my first impression will be not at all good, and maybe I will try with a combo or something to make it feel better, and I will try to figure it out how to use it now that I have already purchased it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you all super soon. Also check my shorts for the dedicated tree. Bye.